Every shop talks about investing in tools, equipment, and technology. But how often do we talk about investing in people? Your technicians and advisors are the ones who keep the doors open, the bays full, and the customers coming back. If you want your business to grow, your compensation plan can't just be a number on a spreadsheet. It has to be a message about how much you value your team. Let's talk more about that next. A solid compensation plan won't fix weak processes or bad hiring decisions, and it can't guarantee your product mix is right. However, what it can do is give your team the motivation they need to perform at their best. Sure, tire shop owners deserve a return on their investment. That's fair. But if your employees are only getting paid above minimum wage, you're not going to get a high-level performance out of them. Paying low wages might seem like a way to protect margins, but it usually does the opposite. The truth is, low-skilled employees may cost less, but they require more supervision. Meanwhile, highly skilled employees can think, solve problems, and work independently. The more skilled your people are at the jump, the less you have to handhold them. When you hire low skill to save money, it usually starts a negative cycle. They may frustrate customers, and eventually your employee will probably quit. That hurts morale and productivity, and suddenly you're back to square one, hiring another inexperienced tech to fill the gap. And when one good tech leaves, it often snowballs. The cycle repeats until you're short-staffed, your margins shrink, and your top performers start to wonder why they're still there. Do you want to break that cycle? You need to attract and keep the kind of people who move your business forward. Fair compensation plans help you do just that. It'll tell your employees that their skill and their loyalty matters. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.